How to fix OneDrive icon missing from Taskbar and File Explorer in Windows 10. Here's some tips that may help you with OneDrive icon missing issue on your Windows 10 PC. 1. Check the hidden area. 2. Check whether it has been enabled in the taskbar. 3. Type %localapp.a%\Microsoft\OneDrive\OneDrive.exe in run box. Then enable Tart OneDrive automatically when I sign into Windows. 4. Open Local Group Policy Editor window, then go to Computer Configuration Administrative Templates Windows Components OneDrive. Locate then modify prevent the usage of OneDrive for file storage as not configured. 5. Remove then reinstall OneDrive using commands, 32-bit, %systemroot %system32 /OneDrive setup.exe/uninstall %systemroot %system32 /OneDrive setup.exe/install for Windows 64-bit, %systemroot /syswow64 /OneDrive setup.exe/uninstall %systemroot /syswow64 /OneDrive setup.exe/install 6. Try some other Microsoft OneDrive alternatives on the web.